Yep, first fish of the evening down here using minnows. It's a 9-incher, not big enough to keep, so I'm gonna toss it back and let it get bigger. Thanks for watching, y'all. Howdy, y'all. Ain't this just the cutest little black nose crappie you ever seen? Look at that little thing. Yeah. Pretty little thing. I'm gonna toss it back in. You got a little baby tiny here. Yep, trying to catch crappies. Using minnows. Should have known I was gonna catch a bunch of bass. Dadgummit. Thanks. Yeah, buddy. Still trying to get crappie and catching these dadgum bass on minnows. Yep. Still fun. Yep. Just a little bit too short. 9 inches. Yep. Nice healthy little fish though. Down here in Clarksville. You know, I just told the folks down there at the Badger Marina that I didn't catch no little ones here. But that's all I've caught today. I think this is number 5. I don't know. Another one that's too small. Very pretty colors though. Look at all that. Yeah, beautiful fish, beautiful fish. Number 6. Check it out, y'all. It's my personal best, smallest crappie. Heck yeah. Caught this little guy using a minnow half his size. They must be hungry. Number 7. Another small one, but I'm still catching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Yep. Number 7 of the day. I believe it's about 9 inches long. Still not big enough, but it's okay. How y'all doing? First keeper of the day down here. Number 8. Thanks for watching. What's up, y'all? Another non-keeper. About 8 inches long. Got us another keeper. Woo woo. Gonna put it in the bucket. Number 9 down here. Yeah, having fun. Another keeper down here. Yep, right at 10 inches. This is number 10. 3 keepers so far. Another keeper crappie, and it's getting too dark to see. Number 11. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good night. Look at this stringer crappie, y'all. Check this out. Yeah, gonna be a nice mess. Fixing to clean some of these up and cook them up and try crappie for the first time. Hi there, folks. Welcome to Daly's Great Outdoors Catch, Clean, Cook video. Well, you're now at the clean portion of it. Never cleaned the crappie before, but I've watched it done a few times. So we're gonna go in right here behind this fin and around that gill plate up here to where I can see there's meat. Keep your knife as flat to the table as possible. Make sure you have a sharp knife. And that just fillets off there beautifully. Come over here, trim out the ribs. There you go. There you go. Beautiful crappie fillet right there. I think I got all of it you can get right there. I'm down, guys. Your turn's next. Flip it over. Do the same thing here. Yeah. Gorgeous. There's ribs. I don't know. And keep the heads for catfish bait. I think I won't get in trouble for it. I'm not sure. Guess we'll see, won't we? I always like to rinse my table off every time. It makes the fish stick to the table better. Because if you don't wash the slime off, they tend to get really slippery and you can't keep a hold of them. Because it's my first time cleaning crappie doesn't mean it's my first time cleaning fish. I'm gonna clean one more for you, and then I'm gonna turn the video off and get the work done, and then we'll turn you back on whenever it's time to do the cooking. Yeah, y'all can just lay down there for a minute. Y'all being rude anyways. Thought I could pull those out, but you can't. Another beautiful fillet there. Look at the size of that thing, y'all. Yeah. There's two of them. I'm going to turn the video off and get the rest of these cleaned, and then we'll see you back when I'm cooking. How's it going, guys? In the house, in the kitchen, fixing to fry up these crappie that I just cleaned. I didn't have any pre-packaged fish fry, so I made my own with yellow cornmeal and salt and pepper and lemon pepper seasoning, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, not a whole lot. I'm going to see if the kids are going to try to eat some of this, so I can't have it too spicy. This oil, as soon as it gets hot, I'll put these fish in there, put these chunks of fish in there. I cut them up into little pieces, that way they'll fry faster and more even. Cut the fish up into little pieces and then I dried it off. You do that to make the cornmeal stick to it better. Sorry for saying so many times. It's starting to get there. Test piece here. See little bite-sized pieces there. Almost. Not quite. Bear with me here. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Looking mighty tasty. Smelling mighty tasty too. I wish it could go through the video, the smells, that'd be awesome. Yep. I'll show you what it looks like on the plate in a minute. Don't this look just so delicious? I'm not gonna lie, I already tried a piece. It's the best fish I ever had. Do believe I'll be keeping a lot more crappie. I mean, there's no comparison. The fish is caught out of the same body of water and tastes nothing like those other fish. Those other fish tasted so muddy and so fishy. It was crazy. And these, man, it's perfect. If you haven't tried crappie, you should go catch some. Well, here's the final product, y'all. Best tasting fish of my life. Thanks for watching.